Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can go all out with this gold drenched sleigh that serves your luxury, power, and main character energy in DTI. So this golden glam fit will have you looking like royalty, fresh off a runway in the clouds. And let me just show you the step-by-step breakdown of this fit. So first for the hair, I'm only using this hair from the petal updates, and you can toggle it into back and remove the flowers. So the hair will look like this. Now you can start making the outfit. So I'm going to go to the dressing room first. And for the outfit, I'm going to use this item. This stuff from the petal updates first color. You can make it black and make it light silk. And for the halter and also the lacing, use this gold color. You can copy my hex code and also use the skirt. So for the beads in here, change all of it into black. And for the chains and other detail, use the same gold color. And I'm going to also use this seashell crown, color it gold like this. For the accessory, I'm going to also put on these nails in gold and this bracelet from the Valentine updates. Change the color using the same gold color like the fit, and also these earrings. And let's go back to the petal updates. This heels in here, use gold in silk. Okay, so now let's just add some accessory again. I'm going to put on this chains in the same gold color, and let's put on this hat piece. Change all the colors into gold. So this is it. Sorry, I forgot to put on this one item. Choose these boots, buckle it into knee length so that the heels or the shoe will look like this now. And this is the dripping in gold outfit for you on DTI. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.